In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create multiple Shopify stores under one email address or under one account. So you don't need all Gmail, like multiple email addresses. You don't need that. It's actually one account. You can create multiple stores and you can switch between them whenever you want. But keep in mind that each store you will have to pay for the subscription. Okay, you need to pay like $1 for 3 months, as you can see, like $1 for 3 months, and each store you will have to pay for the subscription. That's the only thing that is a problem with Shopify. Even if you are paying for the first store, when you create another store you will have to pay for it. You will have to customize it. It's like a new store. Okay, now to do that, I'm actually going to show you exactly how you can create multiple stores and also some tips. Now in the top right you will have to click on your account and click on log out. Now after guys you click on log out, you will need to click on log in again, and here you will find all your Shopify stores. Now for me currently I only have one Shopify store. As you can see, it says here my store, and in the top it says here create another store. Click on it and you can then start creating other Shopify stores. You can name it as you want. Yeah, that's it. Now let me just use my another Gmail, because this Gmail I don't want to use this Gmail. I'm going to go with this one. Like you see here guys, this is my only Shopify store. I'm going to click on I'm going to create another one. I'm just starting, skip all. Okay, as you can see, building your store. So this Shopify is now I have now 2 Shopify stores after this. Okay, after a few seconds I will have 2 Shopify stores, and to switch between them it's actually easy. You just need to log out, and then when you try to log in, instead of seeing one Shopify store you will be able to see 2 Shopify stores, and you can do this as much as you want. Okay, or you can just click on stores, and yeah, you want to click on your account in the top and click on stores, and then you will see 2 stores. This is the first store that we have created, and this is the second store. You can just click on it and it will take you directly to the store. So hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. Watch the video in the screen if you don't understand this one. Please drop a like. See you.